always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. Hi. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're done. Blast off!
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again.
Mr. Goose! Mr. Goose! Fox has a game she wants to play with all of us.
Well, let's see what it is.
I made up a game called Show Me. But first, we'll need a number. Hedgehog, spin the wheel. Oh, goody! That's it, Hedgehog. That's the special number. Yay! Mr. Goose, what number is that?
That's the number 5.
Okay, Hedgehog. Show me the card with the number 5 on it. Oh, there it is! You did it! Now let's flip the card over and count how many stars there are. Mr. Goose, can you help me?
Of course. Let's count out loud together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many in all?
5. Hedgehog, you win! Yay! What do I win? You win tickles! Here I come! Kitty kitty coo!
Today's number is 5. Let's explore the island and count together.
Let's count wiggle bugs together. 5. There are 5 wiggle bugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many wiggle bugs in all? 5. That's right. Let's take their pictures. Say cheese! Thank you for helping me take that picture. Let's do the monkey dance! Yay! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count to do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 5. Come on and to do everything 5 times. Clap 5 times. Nod 5 times. Point 5 times. March 5 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me.
Let's count together.
5.
There are 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many apples in all?
5.
Yeah! Come on, Wigglebugs, snack time!
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. This book is full of some fun baby talk. Let's read it together. Let's begin. Baby Babble, written by Katharine Graham, illustrated by Nicola Smith, designed by Sarah Slater. Which shoes? You choose. Please, please, more peas. Num num, yum yum. All gone, full tum. Sore, sore, teeth are sore. Nice, nice, ice cream is nice. Who's there? Teddy bear. Where's Dum Dum? Baby's sad. There's Dum Dum. Baby's glad. Splish splosh, time to wash. Night night, sleep tight. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose!
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog!
Let's sing a song called This Old Man. I'll sing the first verse, and then you can join in. Are you ready?
We're ready.
Let's do it!
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Oh dear, what number comes after 1?
2!
You're right. Let's all sing.
This old man, he played 2.
He played knick-knack on my shoe
With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Fantastic! And what number comes after 2? Fox?
3!
That's right! Here we go!
This old man, he played 3.
He played knick-knack on my knee
With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Great singing, everyone! Now what number is after 3?
4!
Yes! Here we go!
This old man, he played 4.
He played knick-knack on my door
With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Let's do one more! Now let's see. What number comes after 4?
5!
Oh, of course! Let's sing!
This old man, he played 5.
He played knick-knack on my high.
With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Thank you for helping me with my numbers today.
Oh, Mr. Frog, you know your numbers.
Well then, thanks for helping me sing. See you next time, everybody. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Frog.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Rain. Rain. Rainbow. Rainbow. Rabbit. Rabbit. Rocks. Rocks. Robot. Robot. Rice. Rice.
What letter do all these words start with?
R!
That's right, the letter R.
Letter Safari! Let's find some beginning letter sounds. Ooh, look! Flowers! Listen. Flowers. Flowers. Do you hear that? Flowers begins with F. Flowers. Let's find more beginning letters. I see a butterfly. Listen. Butterfly. Butterfly. What letter makes the beginning sound in butterfly? B! That's right. Butterfly. A rainbow. Listen. Rainbow. Rainbow. What letter do you hear? R! Right. Look, there's a wiggle bug. Listen. Wiggle bug. Wiggle bug. What letter do you hear? W! Wowie! Let's listen to the beginning letters again. Flowers. What's that letter? F! Butterfly. What's that letter? B! Rainbow. What's that letter? R! Wiggle bug. What's that letter? W! Let's put these 4 letters in our learning book. Say each letter with me. F! B! R! W! Thanks for going on a letter safari with me. See you soon. Monkey! Monkey! Where is he? Oh, what was that? Did you hear that? Look! Where do you think Monkey is? Hi! Yay! Hi, Monkey! Hi, Hedgehog! You found me! No, we found you! Hi!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.